everyone, welcome to Menon's Delicacies. This is Lata here. Hope you are doing good. So today's dish is a vegetarian dish. It's paneer jalfrezi, vegetable jalfrezi including paneer. For protein I have used paneer. You can include chicken or lamb instead of paneer and make in the same way. So let's start the preparation. So let's start the making of veg jalfrezi. Here are some ingredients which I'm going to show you. These are French beans. I have cut it long way. This is violet cabbage. Carrots, 1 carrot I've taken, cut it in the long pieces kind of thing. 1 onion chopped. This is yellow capsicum, bell peppers that is. And this is red capsicum. If you have a green capsicum, you can definitely add a green capsicum. I do not have it, so I have not added. And you can also add peas if you have peas at home, green peas. I'm not adding because my daughter hates peas. So generally, you have to take into account, all the taste of all the family members. So I'm not adding the peas. And this is 1 big tomato chopped. I've taken 1 paneer, around 1 cup of paneer pieces, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, some coriander leaves chopped. I've taken red chilies, fresh red chilies. I have just slit it. If you have green chilies, you can add that also. These are ginger, long way. I've just cut it. Some curry leaves. And this is 1 teaspoon of garam masala. This is 1 teaspoon of coriander and cumin powder. This is half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Generally, veg jalfrezi is a dish wherein we don't add more masalas. So let's start. So I've taken a pan. Now in this dish, I'm going to just make this with ghee and a bit of butter. I'm not going to use oil. That will, enhance the taste of the dish. So let's add 2 spoons of ghee. Or maybe I'll add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Yeah. Now let this heat up a bit. Now the next goes in our cumin seeds, jeera. Let it splutter for a minute. Here goes our onion chop. We'll just saute this for 1 minute. Now next goes in our ginger garlic paste. So jeera, ghee, jeera, onions, ginger garlic paste. Let's saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now I have taken a big tomato. I have chopped it. I'm going to add half of this with some curry leaves. And I've taken 3 chilies. I'm going to add 1 at this moment. Give it a nice mix. Let's saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes. When I'm adding tomato, I'm also adding a bit of water just for the tomatoes to mix well. Now at this point I'm going to add carrots which I've chopped and kept. See, I have not cooked the carrots or blanched it. I'm going to cook it all together, all the vegetables. But once we are adding carrot, we'll close the lid and keep it for the carrots to be cooked for some time. So carrots are half cooked. I had closed the lid and cooked it for almost 5 minutes. We don't need the vegetables to be cooked into a, and cooked and mashed and made a chutney out of it. Veg jalfrezi means the vegetables should be looking very nice and its own form without mashing it up. At this point, I'm going to add butter, 1 full tablespoon. As I said before, I am cooking this in ghee and butter. I'm not going to add oil. Now we can add the other vegetables. Red capsicum gone, yellow capsicum, beans, the cabbage. If you have green cabbage, you can use that. I did not have that, so I've used this violet cabbage and it looked colorful. And then goes in our powder. This is garam masala, coriander and cumin powder, bit of turmeric powder, chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, bit of coriander leaves we'll add now, and I had kept some tomatoes, so I'll be adding at this point. Let us give a mix and just cook this for around 5 to 10 minutes, closing the lid of course, and then the next stage would be adding the paneer. We can also add salt at this point. That's it. So our veggies are cooked almost half. Now at this point I'm going to add paneer. We don't add paneer before because paneer will get smashed. And with this we are just going to just do a stirring like this. We will not take a spoon and stir because the veggies may break. We don't want the veggies to break because we want to maintain the texture. So that's it. Just close the lid and keep it for just 1 minute. So our veg jalfrezi is done. I'm going to switch off the gas. And the last thing which goes is this julienne ginger. I've just cut it into this form. Just put the last thing, the 2 chilies which I had kept aside, and some coriander leaves. Some I'll just keep it for garnishing. We will give it a mix. That's it. So the jalfrezi is done. Now this is a very easy and simple dish with very less masalas. The days you want to eat just veggies, you can just toss in some masalas and make this. And the thing is, I have added for protein paneer. If you want to skip paneer and add chicken or lamb, you can just do that. So if you have liked the recipe, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thank you.